I would show you how I deep clean my brushes. And so without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. First, I put out some paper to put the brushes on when they are wet and take out my soap. Here is my first brush that I'm going to clean. I start with warm running water, and always I have my brush down, never up. If you get too much water where the bristles adhere to the brush, they can start to shed. What I do is that I swirl the brush in my soap, and that comes with my beauty blender. And with my beauty blender, I also get a thing that I will show you soon. But now I'm just squeezing out the water, and then I'm gonna dry it here on my paper until it's dry. Never ever put back the brush in a container upright, because then the water will come down and the glue will not adhere anymore. So here I just show you what I have when I clean. I have here the soap that I swirl the brush in, and then I use this little thing that I swirl on so all the dirt gets washed out. Sometimes with big brushes you have to repeat a couple of times to make sure it is really clean. I try to deep clean as often as I can, but I don't let it go more than a month. And in between the deep cleans, I spot clean that I showed in my previous video. If you do not have this soap, you can always use a regular shampoo to make sure it gets clean. The process works the same with small brushes. I swirl it in the soap, and then I swirl it on this thing I have that I don't know what to call, and I take out the excess water. And you can also take some paper and swirl it around and make sure nothing comes out, to make sure it is all clean. Here you can see all the brushes. The big ones will take about a day to dry up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. And please like and subscribe and leave me a comment below. And Merry Christmas! Bye!